So you might be seeing more and more people these days talk about crypto, and that is for a reason. Supposedly we're right now right at the beginning of the giant crypto bull run that is about to take off, and this might be the perfect time for you to start your crypto journey. But even if you're watching this video much later, don't worry, because it's never too late to start. As all of us who invest in crypto have a single purpose, and that is to make money, crypto provides opportunities to make money even when the market is buried. So I'm gonna have a whole playlist of videos that's gonna walk you through the whole process of how you can start your crypto journey. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it's gonna take you step by step through the process of how you can start investing in crypto. Now, in my opinion, crypto is a combination of two most valuable skills these days. That is tech and trading or investing. If you're already good with traditional investments such as stock markets, and you do some trading, maybe you know some technical analysis, then it's going to be a big plus. But you might have to learn a little bit more technical terms for crypto markets such as non-custodial wallet, blocks, gas fees, etc. But it's going to be pretty much the same. Now, in order for you to start investing in crypto, you don't necessarily need to be a technical guru, and this playlist is going to give you enough basic technical concepts that you're going to need so you can start your crypto journey. So first, we're going to be talking about some simple crypto basics. We're going to discuss what a blockchain is, what a coin is. We're going to go over some of the popular coins at the moment. Then we're going to talk about gas fees, also talk about the difference between custodial and non-custodial wallet. Then I'm going to show you how to set up your own account with a platform that lets you deposit cash, and how you can buy and sell crypto with your account. Next, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own non-custodial wallet and why I think you need one. And if that sounds unclear at the moment, that's okay, don't worry about it. We're going to go over this in detail when we get to it. But in short, it's basically the wallet that only you have access to. It's like having your own key that nobody else has access to. Next, we'll talk about how you can transfer your crypto from a platform such as, let's say, Coinbase, which is going to be a custodial platform that you're going to be using first so you can trade cash for crypto, to, let's say, a non-custodial wallet. Then we're going to be talking about how to keep your non-custodial wallet secure, because even though you are the only one who has access to the keys, scammers don't sleep, and they're always looking for ways to get access to those keys. And I'm going to show you a better way to store your crypto using cold wallets. Afterwards, I'm going to show you how to set up some of the most popular cold wallets out there. Next, I'm going to show you how to use decentralized exchange or DEX with your non-custodial wallet. That way you're not going to rely on any of the centralized exchanges. Then I'm going to have another video on how you can keep track of your portfolio, because I gotta be honest, even to this day I struggle with that because it's hard, but I got some tools that make it a little bit easier, and I just want to share them with you as well. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer between multiple non-custodial wallets if you have many, and I suggest that you have several of them, especially if you're dealing with a lot of money. And in the last video, I'm going to show you how you can cash out all those profits that you make with your crypto. If that sounds good to you, then let's start with crypto basics, which I'm going to cover in my next video. By the way, if that video is not out yet, you can watch some of my other videos. In the meantime, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit notification bell to get notified next time that video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.